Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can make an object or shape transparent or apply a transparent fill color to an object on Inkscape in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to your document and here click on the object on your canvas. Let me go with this rectangle here. Let me zoom in a bit. So what you want to do is navigate to the fill and stroke tab here to the right, and here you may expand the color wheel to choose a color for your object. Now, if you'd like to apply the transparent color, guys, you may do that by using that transparent slider here, for instance, or adjust the opacity below here using that slider. Or if you'd like to remove any color at all and simply leave it 100% transparent, colorless shaper object, you may use this button here on the very left hand side of the fill color tab, which is none color, and as you can see the color has disappeared. You may use also this option here, no paint, so no color. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.